So I've been wanting to make tea light holders for a while now, and I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to use a 3D printer, 3D print the molds, and then pour the concrete in them. And by the way, my name's Mike, and welcome to the video. As any time restrictive project, I plan nothing ahead, and when I come to mixing the parts together and having bags of concrete, liquid concrete all over my place, I'm actually not prepared. So I strapped the 3D printed parts together with some elastic bands and poured the concrete, which by the way was way too liquid. It dried up in the end, but way too much water. Didn't get my ratios right. I then used a plant pot to get the sort of negative space filled out, mainly because originally this project was to make plant pot holders, and it turned out they were so small I transformed the whole thing into tea light holders instead. Poured the concrete in, hot glued some sticks to keep everything in place, and hopefully let it cure. It was leaking a lot, so that was a bit iffy. So after about 24 hours, I was able to take them out of the molds and start seeing what had happened. Since I 3D printed the parts really roughly, you could see the lines quite well, but it turns out after it's set properly, that was a super happy accident, I guess, because it was really easy to sand them down and get a really smooth finish. I then just took them outside on my balcony and sanded them down. Please use a mask if you're sanding concrete, it's not great to breathe in. I then used them as concrete tea light holders. Turned out pretty well, super quick video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. They're a bit time sensitive. I absolutely plan nothing ahead. Am I recording? I'm not recording. All right. Take two, because I wasn't recording. Call it a day.